Let me guide you on how to solve this interesting question today. Now, an electric heater operates at 240 volts and draws a current of 5 ampere. It is used to convert 2 kilograms of water at 100 degrees centigrade into steam at the same temperature. Now, that means there is no change in temperature, right? So we either be dealing with latent heat of fusion or latent heat of vaporization. But since it's 100 degrees centigrade, talking about vaporization. Now, calculate the electrical energy supplied by the water in T seconds, and hence calculate the time taken to convert all the waters into steam. So we're going to be doing two things. We are going to calculate the heat energy and the time it takes to convert water into steam. All right, so let's start with option A. We know that heat energy is equals to mass times latent heat of vaporization in this case because of this 100 degrees centigrade, right? So let's go. Now, our mass is 2 times our latent heat of vaporization of water is 2.26 times 10 raised to the power 6 joules per kilogram. So 2.26 times 10 raised to the power of what? 6. So let's multiply this value by 2. When we multiply this value by 2, we're going to be having what? 2.26 exponential 6 times 2. That will give you 452,000 joules because of heat energy, right? Okay, so if you have gotten that value now, let's look at the next one. So we have answered A. Let's go to B. Option B says we should calculate the time. So looking at the value, we were given current, we were also given voltage, and they asked us to look for time. So comparing this formula, that means we're going to use Q is equals to IVT, right? Okay, so now the time is what we're looking for. So it will be divided by IV, the heat energy. So our heat energy is 452,000 divided by I. Our current is 5, our voltage is 240. Okay, so time will give you 452,000. Let's multiply 5 by 240. 5 times 240. That gives you 1,200, right? So let's say 452,000 divided by 1,200. That will give you 3766.7 seconds. Now, we are going to convert this value to minutes. And how do you do that? So the time now will now be equal to, you divide this value by 60 to take it to minutes, right? So divide by 60, we're going to be having 62.7 or 62.8 minutes, right? So we have minutes. Okay, so this is the time it takes for all the water to convert into what? Steam at this same temperature. Okay, so we're going to stop here. Bye.